Okay, so we have this thing here, 3 plus the square root of negative 180 over 6. First thing you always want to start with doing is to simplify this thing here, the square root. So to do that, I'm going to start by writing 180 at the top right here. And I'm basically going to find the prime factorization of 180. So I'm going to break this up into a product of primes. So 180 can be written as 2 times 90. So looking for more prime numbers. So 2's prime, can't go any further. Looking for prime numbers now that divide 90. This can be written as 2 and 45. Okay, I can keep going with 45. This can be written as 3 and 15. So these are prime, prime, prime. Now I can multiply 3 and 5 to get 15. So now 180 is the same thing as saying 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. That's called its prime factorization. Okay, so now what I can do is I can write the square root of negative 180. Just ignore the negative for right now. I can write the square root of 180 as the square root, oh, this is going to be messy, of 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So now since it's the square root, I'm going to take out groups of 2. So I have 2 2's, they're going to go out. I have 2 3's, they're going to go out. So this can be written as 2 times 3 times the square root of whatever's left, which is 5, which is the same thing as 6 root 5. So square root of 180 is the same thing as 6 root 5. So this whole thing can be written as 3 plus 6 root 5. Now we can go look at the negative here. The negative, whenever I have a negative in the square root, I just bring that out, and that becomes I. So this is going to be 3 plus 6I root 5 over 6. Now, the last step, I have 3, 6, and 6. They're all divisible by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 6 two times. 3 goes into 6 two times. So the final simplified form is 1 plus 2I root 5 over 2. And that's going to be your answer.